Hi guys, welcome back to Abby Word's Kitchen where we make intercontinental dishes. So here is my oats. I added about 6 spoons of oats in water and allow it to set for 15 minutes. After that, you drain the water off because we don't need it and clean your surrounding. So here are the items I'm gonna use. I'm using these 5 bananas, my yogurt, Greek yogurt, and this vegetable is very nutritional. Now I'm washing the vegetables. Now I always use salt to wash to kill off any bacteria. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to incorporate this chia seed into it. The health benefit of chia seed cannot be overemphasized. It helps to reduce cholesterol. So I just bought this fruit juicer. I'm going to try it on. First, I'm supposed to charge it. I didn't know on time. So let's see how long it takes to charge. So I added just 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of chia seed into this oat and just leave it there. Okay, so I'm just going to allow it rest for a short while I go ahead and cut my bananas into smaller sizes so my blender could blend it. So you can see I'm using overripe bananas. Okay, so they've been lying there and I discovered, okay, instead of throwing them away, let's just use them for the smoothie. And my natural yogurt, this is some Greek yogurt. Okay, no sugar added. Because I'm using for a large family, that's why I'm using 5 bananas. So if it's gonna be smaller family, you have to reduce it. And like I said earlier on, this oats, rolled oats, I used 6 tablespoons. You could use less depending on your family. As we all know, vegetables are very rich and nutritional. So most times the kids don't like eating the vegetable raw like that. So I need to incorporate it into the smoothie so that they can also have take the benefits that this is gonna give. So that's why I'm incorporating it. It's very, very healthy. They must eat vegetables by fire by force. So I have my way of doing things so that they will not even notice, because I'm also going to add sweetener in there so it can be a little bit sweet for them. For me, I'm not going to add any sweetener because I don't like too much sugary stuff. At this point in time, my girl said it was taking too long, so she had to faint. Wake up, Esther, wake up, please help, please help, please help, she has fainted. I'm using this full cream milk for it. It's not fully charged though, but I'm not patient enough to wait anymore, so I'm just going to unplug it and try using it. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, it stopped working. I guess it's not fully charged. That's why. So this is a very big disappointment. I'm going to charge it and use it in the next one I'm going to do. So right now I'm just going to transfer them to a blender. So with this I can blend all of them at once. I'm just going to transfer everything. Ooh, this is going to keep me full all day. So now there's another trick I want to do in the other one. For those of them who like sweet mouth with sweets, I'm going to add this dessert to it. Chocolate dessert and caramel. It's very sweet. Sweet, sweet, and sweet. So I'm going to add some sugar for them because they love sugar. So this is how to indirectly incorporate vegetables and fruits, infusing it into kids' smoothie or drink. Most of them don't like it. So now that I added sugar for them, I think they're just gonna love it. So it can go with spread, bread, or whatever you want to eat it with. To the dining, I'm using this wrap. This is wheat wrap, wheat bread wrap. Cream or cream to eat. Cream. This is jam. This is some strawberry jam. I'm adding it to those that like sugar. For me, I don't like sugar. The cream is not sugary. So you can see I added only cream in mine, and I'm adding cream and cheese for the other persons. I need to have more. Yeah, time to eat. I need to sit on the floor. This is not a dining matter. This kind of delicious breakfast can be eaten while sitting on the floor so that I can be entering all the vital parts of my body on the floor. Yummy shows. This kind of delicious meal can be eaten only when you are sitting on the floor. That's when you'll be feeling it inside your body. She has joined me to sit on the floor. You are feeling it, right? Why sitting on the floor? It's better than sitting on the dining.
This one.
Which one? Are you a thief? Give me my own. This girl, her long throat is too much. She had two. I have two. Now she wants to take mine. And I'm bigger than her. Mine is supposed to eat more than her.
I want to eat.
Guys, how's yours? It's not the same thing. I added dessert to yours.
What?
Dessert.
What is dessert?
You will see it in the video. Chocolate dessert. Chocolate sugary stuff with caramel. I added it to yours because it's sweet and I added some sugar. Mine is natural, no sugar. No sugar in mine. Alright guys, allow me to enjoy it off camera because I want to do all these things so quickly because I'm hungry. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Please share this video. Share. Follow this page if you have not done that, okay? It's not going to cost you anything. You're not paying for following. Cheers. Try and make this for your family, okay? See you in my next video. Bye. The smoothie, what do you think is inside the smoothie? You don't know. What does it taste like?
It tastes like milk.
Yeah, it's milk. Of course, there's milk inside. There you go. Where's the Manuela? Come. What does the smoothie taste like? Banana. Okay. Yes, of course, she's right. Why are you laughing? Where is Shana? Come here. See your mouth. Because it's too delicious. That's why you used to rub your mouth like lipstick. You ate what? What does the smoothie taste like?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay. What does it taste like?
I can feel the taste of milk, chocolate, banana. I don't know.
What does it taste like?
I think mixture of milk, banana, and yogurt. I think so.
Okay, guys, we are going to see in the video if those are the things included.